SSC, that is true. Because, my lord, we relied on, my lord, the person, and the NICE gave us the data at all times. Even today, my lord, NICE is giving the data. Whether, yes, whether, my lord, it is from an ex-employee, whether it is covered by a 65B certificate, all those are questions. But, my lord, the data which the CBI is using, which I am using, all that data has actually come from NICE. Now, my lord, C6, OMR sheets have been destroyed without scan. So, my lord, therefore, there is
Now, when you destroyed the OMR sheet, it was the Staff Selection Commission's duty to ensure that the mirror images are preserved in the server.
So, my lord,
now there is no mirror image in the server at all.
So, my lord,
your case is that, look, I was duty bound to destroy it after a certain stipulated period. But equally, it is your responsibility as the SSC to keep the images, the scanned images in the server.
My lord, fair enough, my lord. The question that
they're not being preserved in the server.
But, my lord, it is being preserved.
Where?
In NICE.
No, but CBI doesn't find it in your server.
No. The digital information is to be preserved.
But in your server.
Now, it has not been found in my server, but it is found, my lord, where it was taken.
But it's worse because NICE at the highest is only an outsourcing agency. Imagine your entire data is now found in the server of an outsourcing agency.
So now, my lord, would your lordship,
can there be a greater breach of security protocols?
My lord, would this be enough, my lord, to set aside, my lord, the employment of 25,000 people is the question. Now, these three paragraphs, my lord, are actually one point itself. One point.
It is then of the whole process.
So if CBI is proceeding on that basis, CBI is taking that data only to prosecute.
Now, if these were destroyed, look at 7.
Yes,
SSC had provided scanned OMR sheets to RTI applicants in the year 2018 till 2020.
NICE, my lord, from NICE. From NICE.
So that means you knew that the entire data was maintained with NICE.
Of course I did. Not data scan. It was not maintained with data scan. It was maintained with NICE.
What was maintained with NICE?
The data, the entire data, digital OMR data.
How can that mean that you are the statutory body? You allow the entire scanned data to be maintained by an outsourcing agency? It's only a labor provider to do the scanning.
But today, my lord, that very data is being used in a prosecution. So, my lord, then
But today we are looking at your breach of your statutory.
My lord, your lordship may look at my breach.
Yeah.
I am only going to show your lordship, my lord, what is the actual.
You can't say that, look, NICE took it away. You are responsible for maintaining it. It is people's data.
Please don't misunderstand. I am not, my lord, blaming NICE. I am not blaming NICE. I am even accepting, my lord, that without a 65B or not.
Now see what follows.
My lord, if I may just add one thing here, my lord. My lord, if I may just add one thing, my lord. This very data.
In 7, they say,
I'm not running away from a single clause. Just let me finish this submission, my lord.
Yeah.
That the very data that is being used by this court in this judgment and the data which will be used in the prosecution by CBI has completed its investigation. It has said so to the court that we have completed the investigation. Charge sheets have been filed. Now, my lord, that is going on. Now, question is, my lord, this very data is going to be looked at for both the purpose of this judgment and that. So, my lord, the authenticity of this data is not going to be under challenge.
Now, see 7.
Yes, now 7. SSC has provided scanned OMR sheet to RTI applicants claiming that such was from the database, although CBI did not find.
So, you have responded to RTI queries,
yes,
saying this is from my database.
So, I don't know whether it said mine.
Yes.
Just say database.
No, from your